Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to solve this problem solution. Square root of 6 plus square root of 2 by square root of 8 whole power 9. Now the square root of 6 can be written as 2 times of 3 in square root plus square root of 2 by this 8 can be written as 2 times of 4 in whole power 9. Now square root of a b equal to square root of a times square root of b. This we are going to apply here and here. So we'll get square root of 2 times square root of 3 plus square root of 2 by square root of 2 times square root of 4 whole power 9. Now we are going to take square root of 2 common out. So square root of 2 open bracket square root of 3 plus 1 close bracket by the square root of 2 times the square root of 4 is 2 in whole power 9. Now the square root of 2 cancels the square root of 2. Now we have square root of 3 plus 1 by 2 whole power 9. Now let us assume that square root of 3 plus 1 by 2 equal to ex. This is equation 1. Now we have to find x to the power of 9 is the question mark. X equal to square root of 3 plus 1 by 2. Now moving this to left hand side, so 2x equal to square root of 3 plus 1. Now moving this 1 left hand side, so 2x minus 1 equal to square root of 3. Now take a square on both sides, so 2x minus 1 whole power 2 equal to square root of 3 whole power 2. Now this square and square root will cancel each other. Now we have 2x minus 1 whole power 2 equal to 3. Now we are going to implement this algebra formula here, that is a minus b whole power 2 equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. This formula we are going to apply here. So 2x square minus 2 times of 2x times of 1 square plus 1 square equal to 3. We applied this formula here, so we got this. So 4x square minus 2 times 2 is 4x plus 1 equal to 3. Now 4x square, moving this right hand side, so equal to 3. X is plus 4x minus 1. Four plus 2. Now this is considered equation 2. Take a square on both sides, so 4x square whole power 2 equal to 4x plus 2 whole power 2. Now apply here 4 square x to the power of 2 whole power 2 equal to 4x plus 2 whole power 2. 4 to the power of 2 is 16. Here it is x to the power of 2 times 2 is 4 equal to, we are going to apply algebra formula that is a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. This formula we are going to apply here. So we will get 4x whole power 2 plus 2 times of a 4x times 2 plus 2 square. 16x to the power of 4 equal to 4x to the power of 2 plus 2 times of 4x times of 2 plus 2 power 2. Now 16x to the power of 4 equal to 4 to the power of 2 is 16x square plus 2 times 4 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16x plus this is 4. Now 16x to the power of 4 equal to, here we are going to take 4 common out. So open bracket, 4 times 4 is 4x square plus 4x plus 1. Now moving this 4 left hand side, so we'll get 16x power 4 by 4 equal to 4x square plus 4x plus 1. Now simplify this, we'll get here 4. So 4x to the power of 4 equal to 4x square plus 4x plus 1. Now recall equation 2. The equation 2 here is 4x square equal to 4x plus 2. This equation we are going to apply here. 4x to the power of 4 equal to 4x plus 2. We applied this equation plus 4x plus 1. Now 4x to the power of 4 equal to this, we are going to add 8x plus 3. Now we are going to take square on both sides. So 4x to the power of 4 whole power 2 equal to 8x plus 3 whole power 2. Now 4 to the power of 2 x to the power of 4 whole power 2 equal to 8x plus 3 whole power 2. Now here we are going to apply algebra formula that a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. This formula we are going to apply here. So here it is 16. This is 4 times 2 is 8. So x to the power of 8 equal to, applying this formula here, so 8x square plus 2 times of 8x times of 3 plus 3 square. Now 16x to the power of 8 equal to 8 to the power of 2x to the power of 2 plus this is 16 times of 3 is 48 x plus 9. Now 16x to the power of 8 equal to 8 square is 64x square plus 48x plus 9. Now 16x to the power of 8 equal to 64x square plus 48x plus 9. Now this 64x square can be written as this 16x to the power of 8 equal to 16 times of 4x square plus 48x plus 9. Now recall equation 2. The equation 2 here is 4x plus 2, which is 4x square. Now 16x to the power of 8 equal to 16 times of, we are going to apply this equation 2 here. So 4x plus 2 plus 48x plus 9. Now here is 16x to the power of 8 equal to the 16 times of 4, 64x plus, here it is 32 plus 48x plus 9. Now 16x to the power of 8 equal to this, we are going to add, and this. So we will get 112x plus, here it is 41. Now we are going to multiply by x on both sides. So 16x to the power of 8 times x equal to 112x plus 41x times x. So here is 16x to the power of 8 plus 1 equal to, we are multiplying this 112x square plus 41x. Now this 16x to the power of 9 equal to 112x to the power of 2 plus 41x. Now this 112 can be written as 28 times of 4x square plus this 41x. Now we are going to apply equation 2 here. So 16x to the power of 9, 28 times of, here it is 4x plus 2 plus 41x. Now 16x to the power of 9 equal to, here it is 112x plus 28 times of 2 is 56 plus 41x. Now 16x to the power of 9 equal to, now we are going to add this, so we'll get 153x plus 56. Now recall equation 1. The equation 1 here is square root of 3 plus 1 by 2. This is x. Now we are going to apply here. So 16 to the power of 9 equal to 153 times square root of 3 plus 1 by 2 plus 56. Now 16x to the power of 9 equal to 153 square root of 3 plus 153 by 2 plus 56. Now equal to 153 square root of 3 plus 153 plus, here it is, 2 times of 56 is 112 by 2. Now 16x to the power of 9 equal to 153 square root of 3 plus, this is 265 by 2. Now we are moving this 16 right hand side, so x to the power of 9 equal to 153 square root of 3 plus 255 by 2 times of 16. So we'll get x to the power of 9 equal to 153 square root of 3 plus 265 by 32. Now recall x equal to square root of 3 plus 1 by 2. Now we are going to apply this here, so we'll get square root of 3 plus 1 by 2 whole power 9 equal to 153 square root of 3 plus 265 by 32. This is the final answer for given problem. Thanks for watching this video.